Hey, they're coming around the second time. Hope I can find Jennifer this time. I missed her last time. But maybe they're spread out more. So far, no Redlands girls. Okay, Jennifer, you're doing great, kiddo. Coming up on 8 minutes, 9 minutes. Stay with him, Jennifer. She's looking good. She's up there, and she's got to get number 20 to get a medal. And I'd say she's right in the top 25, so it's going to be good if she just went by about 4 girls.